This tiny pen is like a master key. It unlocks your body's hidden fullness signals, but the door it opens has many surprises. Made for diabetes, Ozempic is now the social media's weight loss wizard, promising transformation. But the magic isn't simple. Ozempic mimics your body's natural fullness messenger. Imagine it as a slow postal worker delivering stop eating letters to your brain, making your stomach clock tick slower and lowering your blood sugar flood. With this postal service working overtime, many see their body weight shrink by 10 to 15%, and for diabetes, the heart's fortress gets stronger. But when the mail stops, the letters pile up again, and most of the weight returns. Side effects are storms on the route, nausea winds, vomiting floods, and diarrhea rivers. Rarely, dangerous lands lie ahead. This isn't a magic wand. Ozempic is a specialized key for those with type 2 diabetes or obesity, not a shortcut for summer's quick fix, unfortunately. The hype blinds us to the hidden toll. Weight often rebounds without lifestyle changes, long-term effects are uncharted waters, and rising costs build walls few can cross. For the right person, Ozempic is a powerful tool, like a map to navigate weight loss. But only if you have the right compass, diet, exercise, and always consult your physician to see their guidance.